Well, good afternoon, everyone. Well, I should say good evening. It's after 7 o'clock in the evening, and can you hear that? That is the sound of spring. What a walk, what a day. It's Friday, the weekend is right around the corner, and listen to the frogs. Listen. We're on the shores of Norway Lake in Mills Township. Don't know if you can see the lake from here, but you certainly can hear the frogs. Let's see if I can get a... I'm going to get up on the road here and let you take a look at that lake. But that's a wonderful sound, don't you think? They know it's going to be a great weekend. This is the weekend to head north, people. Going to be in the 70s. There you go. That, my friends, is a wonderful northern Michigan sound just before sunset. I could stand here for quite a while. You have a great weekend, everybody. I'm going to get on with my vlog walk and continue to enjoy this stupendous and super weekend ahead. Like I said, temperatures are going to be very nice. Temperatures in the 70s. Tomorrow, sunny. What a day. What a weekend ahead. Pure Michigan, everybody. Just take in the majesty of a spring coming alive.